Hello everyone, welcome to Ease of Development. Today I am going to explain about multi-factor authentication. It is Azure multi-factor authentication. In this diagram you can see for multi-factor authentication you need to enable second authentication methods. The term authentication means the process of identifying user's identity to know whether user is genuine or not. So here in this diagram you can see complete cycle of multi-factor authentication. In first step we log in and enter user ID and password, and in the second step you will be getting the code on your mobile or text message on your mobile. You may also get the call on your mobile, and then you need to enter the code. Once you enter the code, then it will allow you to access the resources in step 4 in this diagram. So this is all about multi-factor authentications. Now let us do hands-on on Azure portal how to enable multi-factor authentication on Azure. So let us go to Azure. So this is my Azure portal. I can see this is my home page. Here in first step I would log into this Azure AD Active Directory, and in second step I will click on the users. So here you can see list of user, and you can enable it for some specific user, or you can select all user also. So in here you can see this option per user MFA. So when you click on this per user MFA in third step, you can click here, and then it would be redirecting here on this screen. Let me increase the font, and here you can say you need to select the user. I'm selecting this user, POC user, and then here this is enable button. When you click on enable, then it will ask you to confirm you yes. So here enable multi-factor auth, you need to click on this button, and then you can see multi-factor auth is now enabled for selected account. So it is successfully enabled. When you click OK, then you can see here it is showing enabled. So after that you can go to portal and refresh it. So this is enabled for the second user. When you log in using this second user, then it will ask you to configure the mobile, scan the mobile code, and then it will enable for you multi-factor authentication. When you log into AD, then it will ask login ID password, and that will send the notification text box to your portal, text box to your mobile, and then you have to enter the code, then only it will allow to log in. So that is all about multi-factor authentication. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.